Alright, so we're going to look at how the insertion sort code works on an array. So I've got the array nums here, which has the values 9, 2, 1, and 7. I'm going to call my insertion sort method with that parameter. Inside the insertion sort method, I called my the formal parameter array, so array and nums refer to the same data. And what my algorithm does, or the insertion sort algorithm that's written here does, is it starts at position 1 in the array. It's going to look at that and decide, is it in the right spot relative to everything to the left of it. So we're going to take it out, the number at position 1, and so that's going to go into my temp variable, which is why temp holds the value 2. So I've taken out the first value, and I'm going to have an I variable, and I is going to be exactly where I'm at. I'm currently looking at position 1. Now what this loop says is, let's look to my left. So to my left, if I am inbound, so I haven't gone past the beginning of the array, and the value to my left is bigger than me, then that means I want to slide that value over. So if in this case it's true, right? To the left of me is the number 9, which is bigger, so I'm going to slide it over so the 9 will move over, and then I'm going to go 1 to the left with my I, so my I goes down to 0. Now, because I no longer have something to my left, the loop is going to end, and I'm going to put the value I took out at that position, so at position 0. So now the 2 has been inserted before the 9. Now my position variable is going to go up to position 2 because I want to look at this number 1 and insert it in the right spot. So I do the exact same process. I take out the 1 that's in temp, and I'm starting at position 2. And my loop is going to keep looking to the left. So to the left of me is at position 1. And is it bigger than 9? Yeah, it is. I'm sorry, 9 is bigger than 1. So because of that, I'm going to slide the 9 over, and then I'm going to go to the next spot. So now my I will go down to 1, and I look at position 1, and I look to its left, and I see the value 2 there at position 0. And because that's bigger than my temp value of 1, I'm going to slide it over as well. So now 2 will be at position 1. Now I go to position 0, which once again is out of bounds. 0 minus 1 is not bigger than equal to 0. So the loop ends, and at the position I ended at, I'm going to put the value I took out. So now I'm going to run one more time. I'm going to go to position 3, and I'm going to take out the 7. I'm going to find the spot to insert it. So I'm starting at position 3, but I'm going to look to my left, and I see at position 2 that I have the value 9. So I want to slide that over because it's in the wrong spot, and then go to position 2. That's still in bounds, and at position to the left of position 2 is position 1, which is the value 2, and that's actually in the right spot relative to the 7, so the loop is going to end, and I'm going to put the 7 there. So at this point, the loop's going to end because I've processed every position in the array. So I'll just terminate from the method, and my array is in sorted order 1, 2, 7, 9.